welcome to another video tutorial. This time I will do a part which one of you wants me to do. It's a very simple part and I will do it in Catia and in Nix and show you different ways how to do it. So let's start first with a sketch right on this plane. Hide as always these yellow elements. There you go. Then I need a sketch which looks something like that. Take care not to catch anything. Yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, then I need some constraints. This one should be a tangency. Yes. There should be a distance. Yes. There should be a distance. Horizontal measurement. Yes. Radius. Yes. Another radius. Yes. And nope. Yeah. No, this should be on. This line should be on that coincident, and this point should be on this coincident, and there should be a distance right between here. Okay, seems to be ISO constraint. Check it. Yes, usually should go for a close profile. I will do it right now with an open sketch and the thick option for the pad. And I will do it with two bodies. So let's go for edit multi-constraint. Oh, sorry, this one. And this should be 1. This should be 5, 5, 17, and 4. Okay. And I could reuse this sketch. So maybe I make it in a... Oh, I insert a geometrical set and call it sketches. Yes, that's nice. And move it to Userwish. Yes. Okay, let's do another sketch, or maybe I copy this one, and paste it. And now I change the sketch support of this one. Make it a position sketch, and I will position it on that plane. Swap. And reverse, I think it's H, no, it's V. Okay. So it lost something. Let's take a look. Yeah, this one should make problems. Okay. And make a new one from here to that axis. Okay, go to edit multi-constraint. This offset should be 8.6. Radius the same, that should be 17, and the offset should be, I suppose, 2. Okay. Let's take a look. Is there something wrong? Maybe. Yeah, now it's okay. So now let's make two bodies. So I will insert one body and another body. Define a object and make a pad right here with the first sketch. Yes. Use the thick option, reverse the direction, and thickness should be, let's take a look. Thickness should be 3, I suppose. Yes, 3. This one is 0. And 5. No, 5. Let's make it 10. Doesn't matter. First body. Now go to the second body and make another extrusion with this sketch. Again, with the use the thickness option, and the thickness should be, in this case, 2, and 10 is okay, doesn't matter. Okay, now let's use a Boolean operation and intersect those two bodies. That's right here. Intersect this one with that one, and okay. Yes, looks okay. Now use shell, remove this face, that face, and that face, and the inside thickness should be 0.25, like this, and then I need 2 edge fillets. This edge, that edge, and it should be 0.375, and right here another 2 fillets, this edge, and no, not this one, remove it, and I want the edge right now, okay, and it's 0.125. Yeah, and I'm done. That's one option to do it. Okay, so another option would be the following. I will delete this body, and I will delete this body as well. Okay, but I want to use these sketches again. So show them. And a more difficult approach would be the following, and therefore I need another sketch. I will make a rib. Okay, so I just go over to the generative shape design or to the wireframe and surface design, doesn't matter, because I need a combined curve. And I will, let's check, it should be right here, that's the one. Combine this sketch and that sketch, and okay, maybe hide these two. Now I got a curve, and I need a profile which moves along that curve, so I need another sketch, and this should be on that plane. Let's make it a position sketch. Let's swap and reverse H. Yes, okay. Hide as always these elements if possible. So let's hide it right here. Okay. Then I need a rectangle in this case, like this. Don't use these constraints, so I delete them and make it a distance another distance of this one over here, coincident, that one coincident right here. Okay, and the values should be, and that's direction, I think it's 3, and in this direction it's 2. Yep. Leave it and make it a rip. Move over to part design. Go to. Okay, let's go for the rip. Yes, that's the profile. That's the center curve. Keep the angle and OK. But if it's possible to do it with pads, you should do it with pads, not with a rip. And yeah, use shell again. Where is it? Shell. You could do it with a different profile, but I think shell is very convenient to use. This and that one, and OK, and then make the fillets. This one and that one, OK, and on the outside another fillet, 0.375 on that edge and this edge. Okay. Yeah, that's the second solution. Coming up, the third possible way to do it. And now I want to do it in one body and just using pad and pocket. And of course shell again, because as I said before, shell is very convenient. So I will redo. I will delete these. Okay, then I will delete the rip. Yes, and I will reuse the two sketches. I don't need the sketch 3 and the combine. So delete it. Okay. I will show these. And first let's change this sketch. Yeah, maybe I could select this, that, and this one, and transform it. Usually you shouldn't use transform, but in this case I can do it. Duplicate mode and move it. That's 3. Like this. Okay. Now you have to constrain it again. And you need 2 lines. I need a line right here. Another line here. And I don't need these constraints. Don't use them. And make it a distance. Make this one concentric to this one. And that one concentric to this one. So, happy accident, redo it. Okay. Oh yeah, the tangency conditions are missing. So make the tangent, make it tangent, make it tangent, and make this one with a distance, which should be 3. Okay. And this one and that one should be concentric, and this one and that one should be concentric too. So I can delete this and make these two perpendicular. What is missing? Let's check it. I suppose another 90-degree angle right here should do the trick. Same, maybe right here. Yes. Okay. And I would like to reuse that sketch over there because only some dimensions are different. So I will copy this one, paste it right here, and try to change the sketch support. Yes. Make it a positioned one. Move it to this plane. Swap. And yeah, let's again, there's some inconsistencies. I can delete this one. And now I want to edit it. Let's take a look. No obvious reasons, so I go for the sketch analysis and usually use edges. Make problems? In this case, no. Let's check it out. Ah, there it is. Okay. So I need another dimension here and go to Edit Multi-Constraint. Check it out. First offset should be 8.6. Angles, this offset should be 2. Yes. 5 is okay, and that one should be 2 as. That's which one? Yeah, that should be 2 as well. Yeah. Okay. Now you could use solid combine and combine these two. Let's take a look. Solid combine. It already selected sketch 4, sketch 1, see? Or, because in some companies this feature is not allowed, you could do it like this. Make a pad with sketch 1, for example. Reverse direction. Okay. And make a pocket with sketch 4. And reverse the side. Reverse direction and reverse the side. Preview. See? Okay. And again, use shell to remove these faces. Okay. And again, make the two fillets, two different fillets. And I'm done. Now I will go to NX and do the same part again. See you to that one. Bye.